Motion graphic templates are the ultimate time saver for video creators. Carefully crafted to work seamlessly with Premiere, they are the easiest way to spice up your creations and wow your audiences. Here's our countdown for the 10 best motion graphics templates for Premiere Pro in 2020. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Number 10, Fast Opener by Marcon. Coming up at number 10, this energetic and modern template is perfect for an event promo or commercial. With 28 placeholders for images or video, this is your go-to option if you have lots of graphics to display in little time. With this template, you're free to experiment with the color scheme to suit your needs and bring your products to life. Number 9, Colorful Opener by Motion Media Group. If your brand is fun, energetic, and friendly, then this spectacular animation is all you need. Waves, streams, and splashes of water combined with strong colors make up amazing visuals, which makes this engaging, exciting template ideal for marketing and social media campaigns. Number 8, Dynamic Fashion Package by Bogdafon. Minimal, elegant, stylish, and perfect for a product promo or fashion photo shoot, the black and white backgrounds combined with a bold color overlay in this template are guaranteed to grab your viewers' attention. The chromatic aberration and glitches here and there will keep everyone interested till the very end. Number 7, Rhythmic Upbeat Intro by Motion Shape. This template is a perfect example of text, images, and music working together to create a unique viewing experience. If you want to get the most out of this template, big, bold texts are the way to go. Plus, a long and short version are included in the project files to ensure your video is length appropriate. Number 6, YouTube Intro by Templates Bravo. If you're planning to grow your YouTube presence, look no further. Take your channel's branding to the next level and promote your videos with their ready-to-go graphics, buttons, social reminders, and lower thirds. Whether you're an aspiring vlogger or already have 1 million subscribers, this template is a great addition to your YouTube toolkit. And speaking of YouTube, if you're enjoying our content, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep up with all the new videos we're creating just for you. Number 5, Typographic Promo by Cult Video. Combine kinetic typography and background animations to make your content pop in this easy-to-use template. Great for displaying full-screen images of travel destinations, landscapes, or even product shots. You can mix and match 5 backgrounds, 20 image placeholders, and 62 text animations to create a unique and eye-catching video. Number 4, Modern Lifestyle by MediaStock. This template is a multi-purpose template that has a cinematic feel to it. Great for an explainer, product presentation, or motivational piece. Its smooth image transitions and ability to add descriptions on screen create a dreamy vibe that will keep audiences engaged. Number 3, Dynamic Slideshow by Joe Production. This is a modern slideshow template with an urban feel. Your images will come to life with the parallax effect, light leaks, and geometric maps included in this template. Its trendy look will take your content to the next level. This template also comes with a free font, so you won't waste any time finding one that works. Number 2, Motion Slides by i1 Studio. You are just a few clicks away from having the trendiest designs for your type-based project. With more than 20 options to choose from and a wide variety of styles, this easy-to-use template will satisfy all your typography needs. Simply replace the background images and start typing away. We're sure you'll love the final result. Number 1, Instagram Stories Stomp by Neuron FX. This template's bold and energetic vibe works great if you're planning on publishing special offers, having a flash sale, or launching a new product. Make your content stand out from the rest with its easy-to-use pre-made animations and fully customizable controls. Available in vertical and square format to suit all your Instagram needs, get ready to make an impact and drive your interactions through the roof. That rounds out our top 10 list. Which of our favorite motion graphic templates are you planning to use in your next project? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons so you never miss one of our videos. We've got another roundup queued and ready to go. Click on the thumbnail to keep watching. See you next time!